we're gonna do a room tour. This is our room 8110. Now, hold on. A little tricky. Okay. We're in the room. Now, let me show you. Here's the little couch. Here's the mirror. Here's the mini fridge. Here's the other bed. Here is. See, we got a reading light and a regular lamp. Okay, and we got some storage here. Open the closet. We got more storage here. Let me show you the bathroom. Hi. Here's the bathroom. Here's the shower. Let me show you the balcony. We got a deluxe balcony. Here's the balcony. We got an obstructive view of our balcony. Here is New York City, the Big Apple. Oh, it feels so good out now. And that is our room tour on the MSC Meraviglia.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the wind up.